Here's the exact process I used to fill this raised garden bed on a budget. The stainless steel bed I have here is 8 foot long by 1.5 feet wide and about 1.5 feet tall. I've got it linked below in the description where you can get it on Amazon. I didn't want to use only soil because that can be expensive and it can also lead to compaction over time, making it harder for the roots to grow. I chose a layering method, also incorporating materials you can probably find in your backyard. The first layer is made up of logs or firewood. This layer serves multiple purposes. It helps with drainage, adds organic matter as it decomposes, and reduces the amount of soil you'll need to fill this bed. I placed a complete row of fire logs all along the very bottom. For the second layer, I added a bunch of leaves and sticks. I literally took a rake and just raked some off my lawn and tossed it right in. You can use other organic matter like grass clippings, straw, or even shredded newspaper. I've seen people use layers of cardboard as well. This layer will further improve drainage, and as it breaks down, it'll provide essential nutrients for your plants. For the last layer, I used a 50-50 mixture of topsoil and peat moss. So I added a layer of topsoil on first, then I put some peat moss on top of that, added more topsoil, and then mixed it in. The peat moss helps to keep moisture in and provides a light, airy structure for the roots to grow. Here's what my raised garden bed looks like, all ready to plant my seed. You can check out this video I have linked here if you want to learn how to start your seedlings in an egg carton, and subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.